Here we have one more example, plus this is in basic media. Balance the following equation which takes place in basic media by ion electron method. So basic media, they will, in a question they will give, it is a basic media, sometimes they will give, represent OH minus ions. This OH minus ions is represent us that the reaction is carried out in basic media, and if it is H plus, it represents us it is in acidic media. Both in acidic media and basic media, the difference is only while balancing hydrogens. In the rest cases, the same procedure. First thing, the first point we have to write down the skeleton equation. Already they have given skeleton equation. Next, second thing, you have to identify the species which is oxidized and then which is reduced. For that, you have to find out the oxidation states of elements which will have variable oxidation states. We know that some elements will have fixed oxidation state, that is hydrogen and oxygen will have fixed oxidation state. So for the remaining elements which will exhibit, which can have this variable oxidation state, we have to find out their oxidation numbers. So here the first one is manganate ion. Manganate means MnO4 minus. In manganate ion, the total charge is represented as -1. That means sum of the oxidation states of these two, manganese and oxygen, is found to be equal to -1. Now manganese is variable, so let it be X. Oxygen oxidation state is -2, so it can be written as X plus 4 into -2, because 4 oxygens are there, each oxygen will have -2 oxidation state. So sum will be equal to -1. So X minus 8 is equal to -1, X is equal to -1 plus 8, that is equal to +7. So in manganate, oxidation state of manganese is, so this is permanganate, its oxidation state is found to be +7. Now here in this side, MnO2, there is no charge on it. That means sum of the oxidation state of manganese and oxygen together will be equal to 0. So here manganese oxidation state is found to be X, and oxygen is -2, 2 oxygens are there, 2 into -2, and sum is equal to 0 because there is no charge. So X minus 4 is equal to 0, X is equal to 4. So manganese oxidation state is found to be 4. So here it is -1. In homoatomic molecules, oxidation state is considered to be 0. So now iodine is oxidized from -2 to 0, whereas manganese is reduced from +7 to +4. So this is reduction and this is oxidation. Now let us split the equation into two half reactions. Reduction half reaction oxidation half reaction. In reduction half reaction, permanganate ion is reduced as manganese dioxide, and iodide ion is reduced to oxidized to iodine. This is the reaction. Now we have to balance each equation separately, each half reaction separately. While balancing the half reaction, first we have to balance elements other than oxygen and hydrogen. So here this side there is no need, because here 1 Mn and 1 Mn, so you need not balance it. But in this half reaction you have two iodines, but this are only one iodide ion. So 2 iodide gives I2. Now balancing of oxygens. This side we have 4 oxygens, but this side we have only 2 oxygens. So by these oxygens can be balanced by adding H2O molecule to this side. So MnO4 minus gives MnO2 plus 2H2O. MnO2 plus 2H2O. So now here this 2H2O. Now we have to balance hydrogens. Now we have carefully observe, because so far we are doing half reaction method in acidic media. In basic media, balancing of hydrogen is entirely different thing. You should carefully note down. This method which I am going to explain you is the easiest way and non-confusable. Because here 4 hydrogens are there. This side there is no hydrogen. While balancing hydrogens, you have to add H2O molecules to deficient side and same number of OH molecules in the opposite side. Here 4 hydrogens are there. So you have to write 4 H2O to deficient side. At the same time you have to write 4 OH minus ions this side. Because 4 H2O if you write this side, total 8 hydrogens you are adding. But the deficiency is only 4. That's why you are adding 4 hydrogens and 4 oxygens extra. That's why to balance that we have to write 4 OH minus to the same side. Remember, once again I explained you. While balancing hydrogens in basic media, in acidic media what you have done? Just you simply write H plus ions to the deficient side, same number of H plus ions to the deficient side. But when the reaction is carried out in basic media, you are going to add same number of H2O. Same number of H2O means you are adding double number of hydrogens and same number of oxygens. So to balance it, immediately on the same side where you have found hydrogens in excess, that side you have to write same number of OH minus ions. This side you found 4H2 hydrogens. So you have to write 4H2O to deficient side, immediately 4 OH minus ions to the same side. Now MnO2 plus 2H2O plus 4 OH minus. So if you observe, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 4, 8 hydrogens here, 8 hydrogens, 4 oxygens, 2 plus 2H2O plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 4, 8. Here this side 4 oxygens and 4, 8 oxygens. So both oxygens and hydrogens are balanced. Now here similar terms are there. This side you have H2O and this side you have H2O. Here you have 4H2O and here you have 2H2O. Now at this stage itself we can balance it. That means MnO4 minus plus 2H2O gives MnO2 plus 4OH minus. This is the way to balance hydrogens. Don't get confused. Once again you observe, while balancing hydrogens in acidic media it is very easy. Simply by adding H plus ions, hydrogens are balanced. But in the case of basic media, what you have to do, you have to follow 2 steps, simultaneous steps. You should write hydrogens in play, balance the hydrogens by adding H2O to the deficient side and same number of OH minus ions in that side. If water molecules are in both sides, you have to balance it instantly. This is the way to balance hydrogens. Now hydrogens are balanced, oxygens are balanced. Now we have to represent electrons. So here in this reduction reaction, the change of oxidation state is from +7 to +4. That means 3 electrons are absorbed. Only 1 manganese is there. MnO4 minus plus 2H2O plus 3 electrons gives MnO2 plus 4 OH minus. Here 2 electrons are released. 2I minus gives I2 plus 2E minus, because here it is 0, here it is -1. -1 to 0, 1 electron from 1 iodine. 2 iodines are there, 2 electrons are released. So here 1 even number and 1 odd number. In such case you have to multiply this reaction with 2 and this reaction with 3. So that 6I minus gives 3I2 plus 6E minus. Here if you multiply this with 2, you will get 2MnO4 minus plus 4H2O plus 6E minus gives 2MnO2 plus 8OH minus. Now let us add these two equations. First this reactant side. That is 2MnO4 minus, this is final equation, up to this only half reaction, 2MnO4 minus plus 4H2O plus 6E minus plus 6I minus gives 3I2 plus 6E minus. 6E minus 6E minus is cancelled. Now the final equation is 2MnO4 minus plus 4H2O plus 6I minus gives 3I2, sorry, plus 2MnO2 plus 8OH. So 3I2 plus 2MnO2 plus 8OH minus. This is the final balanced equation. So here we have another example. It is a very beautiful example in basic media. Here chlorine will oxidized as chlorate and reduced as chloride. This type of reactions, if same element is oxidized as well as reduced in the same reaction, that means some atoms of that element are oxidized and some atoms of elements are reduced in the same reaction. Such reactions are said to be disproportionate chemical reactions. Disproportionate chemical reactions. Here chlorine is oxidized as chlorate and reduced as chloride. So let us verify. In Cl2 molecule the oxidation state of chlorine is 0, whereas here it is -1, and here you have to calculate ClO3 minus, so chlorine oxidation state is variable, so we call it as X, plus 3 oxygens are here and each oxygen is -2, will be equal to -1. X minus 6 is equal to -1. X is equal to -1 plus 6. So it will be plus 5. So chlorine oxidation state, here it is plus 5. Here it is -1. So chlorine is oxidized as chlorate and same chlorine was reduced as chloride. This is reduction and this is oxidation. So reduction half reaction, oxidation half reaction. Now we have to split the equation into two half reactions, namely reduction half reaction and oxidation half reaction. In reduction half reaction, Cl2 is reduced as Cl minus, whereas in oxidation Cl2 is oxidized as ClO3 minus. Same process. First we have to balance elements other than oxygen and hydrogen. Here two chlorines are there, this is only one chlorine, so Cl2 gives 2Cl minus. Here two chlorines and one chlorine, so Cl2 gives 2ClO3 minus. Then balance oxygens. Here 6 oxygens are there, so Cl2 plus 6 H2O, because oxygens are balanced by adding H2O. Now the question is how to balance hydrogens, because it is a little bit difficult and confused part. If you feel it confused, it will be feel best. Remember, in acidic media hydrogens are balanced simply adding H plus ions to the deficient side. But in case of basic media, it can be done in 2 or 3 steps. That is, we have to add H2O molecules to the deficient side, same number of OH minus ions to the opposite side. This is the way to balance hydrogens in basic media. So here, remember, here I am going to, here 6 H2O molecules are there. So to balance hydrogen, this side there is no hydrogen. So to balance hydrogens, what you have to do, 12 hydrogens are there, you have to add 12 H2O this side. So instead of 12 hydrogens, you are adding 12 H2O. That means you are adding 12 hydrogens and 12 oxygen in excess. So to compensate that, you have to add same number of OH minus ions this side. 12 H2O, if you add 12 H2O that side, product side, in reactant side, you have to add 12 OH minus. So that both hydrogen and oxygens are at a time balanced. Rewrite the equation. Cl2 plus 6H2O plus 12 OH minus plus 2ClO3 minus plus 12H2O. This is. Now we have hydrogens in the both sides. So remove it. Because this side you have 6 high H2O, that side you have 12 H2O. Instead of that, you cancel this 6 and instead of 12 you write 6 H2O that side. So that both hydrogens and oxygens are balanced. Because here you remember 12 oxygens, 2 3s are 6 plus 6, 12 oxygens, 12 hydrogens, 6 2s are 12 hydrogens. Both are balanced. Now electrons. This side 0 to minus 1 and 2 chlorines are there. So in oxidation half reactions, 2 electrons are released, 2 Cl minus plus 2 E minus. Here from 0 to plus 5, that means 5 electrons are released, 2 chlorine atoms are there, as a whole 10 electrons are released. So Cl2 plus 12 OH minus gives 2 ClO3 minus plus 6 H2O plus 10 electrons. Because in oxidation electrons are released, so we should represent in product side. In reduction electrons are absorbed, so we should represent in reactant side in the respective half equations. Now electrons should balance. Here only 2 electrons there, so this whole thing should be multiplied with 5. So it should be 5 Cl2 gives 10 Cl minus plus 10 electrons. So now we have to add 2 equations, 5 Cl2 plus Cl2. That means 6 Cl2 plus 12 OH minus gives, next product side, 10 Cl minus plus 10 E minus plus 2 ClO3 minus plus 6 H2O plus 10 E minus. 10 E minus 10 E minus will be cancelled. Sorry. Sorry. Here I wrongly represented. So Cl2, sorry, it was wrongly represented. I am going to correct it now. Cl2 plus 2E minus gives 2 Cl minus. So 2 electrons, there 10 electrons. So you have to multiply the whole equation with 5, because to make it 2 into 10. So 5 Cl2 plus 10 E minus gives 10 Cl minus. Now adding 2 equations. So 5 Cl2 this side, 6 Cl2 plus 10 E minus plus 12 OH minus gives 10 Cl minus plus 2ClO3 minus plus 6H2O plus 10E minus. 10E minus, 10E minus is cancelled. So here we have 6, 12, 10, 2, 6. So all are divisible by 2. We can keep the equation like this only. There is no wrong in it. But to simplify this, you can divide the whole reaction with 2. You may done it or not done it, both are correct. So if you done it, what happens? 3Cl2 plus 6OH minus gives 5Cl minus plus ClO3 minus plus 3H2O. This is simplified balanced equation. That equation is also balanced. But in a second step, you can simplify it like this.